You want to make money online with digital products, but you don't have time to create a massive course or write an entire ebook? These three products, digital products, are easy to make and guaranteed to make sales in 2025. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially to start and grow an online business using digital marketing. So if you've been looking for ways to create extra income without having to create a massive product, well, you're in the right place and you're watching the right video. I know what it's like to be stuck, struggling, and trying to figure out more ways to make more money, make ends meet without sacrificing all of your time to do that. Digital products, they've been a game changer for me and my family, giving us financial flexibility, more freedom. This is why I now teach people how to create their own digital product, so they can monetize their own skills and passions. So if you're someone who's wanting to learn how you can turn your passions into profits, I've got a marketing bundle that teaches you everything. So I want you to comment ready below. I want you to comment ready, and I'll make sure you get all the information. But today, I'm going to show you three tiny digital products that are easy to create. They require no inventory, and they have a huge potential for 2025. So if you like this type of content that's helping beginners learn digital marketing, creating digital products, selling these digital products, using digital marketing, make sure that you smash that like button, drop me a comment down below, put ready, I'll get you the information. And if you're not yet subscribed, click subscribe so that you can get more of these videos as they come out. And let's just get started. So the first tiny digital product that you can create that's really simple to create as well is printables, trackers, planners. So, a printable digital product that's really simple. It can be planners. It can be trackers. It can be a planner, tracker, templates, something like this. Well, what do I mean by all this? What does it look like? Well, they can be like ADHD planners, social media planners, playbooks. They can be portfolio trackers, financial trackers for your budget, all sorts of stuff like that. Really simple to create. So one of the first products that I created as well myself is a financial tracker. Planners especially, you see, people love the convenience. They love, the digital trackers or digital planners that they could use for their social media planning, for their day-by-day planning, right? ADHD planners, right? People, they need this kind of stuff, right? And what's really cool is they are evergreen. They sell anytime. It doesn't matter what time of year it is. People will buy these consistently, okay? All the time. It doesn't matter when it is. They'll buy them. Simple, easy to create. They're really cheap, that you sell them really cheap. Once you create it one time and you list it on your store, it's good to go. You can they'll sell them over and over again. You just need to create this product one time and it will sell repeatedly over and over and over again, right? Okay. So here's what you got to do. Here's the process. Number one, choose a niche, right? Choose what kind of a niche, what kind of people that you want to target. What's your target audience? What's your target market? Who do you want to target? What is the niche about it? All right. Is it people that have ADHD and they need ADHD trackers, planner, calendars, all this sort of stuff? What do they need, right? Think about that. What are you passionate about? That's what I say, turn your passions into profit. What are you passionate about? What are you already excited about? What do you know something about, right? Choose something like that. And I'm sure it could be very profitable by creating these sort of things. All right. Where do you go and do this? You go to, for example, you can go to Google. You can go to the Google, your Google Suite, your Google Docs, Google Spreadsheets. You can create them right in there with that. Simple to do. Or then you can bring it up from there. You can bring it from there, or you can just go right over to Canva and start creating within Canva. Canva. What's the matter with me today? You can create in Canva all of these products, really simple, really easy to do, and they're very beautiful. They're really nice. Got nice graphics, nice pictures, all that sort of stuff in there that you can use. They've even got templates that you can follow. Then selling them, where are you going to sell them? Well, first getting started, first thing that you can do is you can go right away, go over to something like Etsy, Gumroad, right? Go right over to these websites, use their ready-made stores. All you got to do is just set it up, right? Use some SEO, right? Set up your store, and they've already got all the audience. They've already got the people that consistently always go to Etsy, right? You could just start off that way. And then you can branch out and start creating a stand store or a beacon store or System.io store. You can start creating those stores afterwards, right? But you can get started right away just with Etsy. Then more promotions, more marketing. You can then, start working, going over to TikTok, Instagram, start creating short reels, short videos. Talk about what you're creating, get in front of the right audience, talk about it, mention your products, bring the traffic to your store, make the sales that way. You just got to start marketing. You just got to be consistent that way. Now, pro tip, like I mentioned before, grab my marketing bundle. Get my marketing bundle. It's down below. Get the marketing bundle. Comment bundle and make sure that you get all the details for the marketing bundle. Why? I got a social media playbook. I got a social media planner. I got the AI Playbook. Teaches you with ChatGPT, the AI. It will teach you all this stuff. It'll give you the playbook. You'll know what to post and when to post on social media. You got a 90-day plan. Follow the 90-day plan in the playbook for social media. You won't be stuck. I'll also show you in the marketing bundle how to go ahead and create these simple products. All right? There's no more questions. There's no more questions on what to post, when to post it, how to create it. It's all laid out there in a blueprint, in a roadmap for you just to follow in that marketing bundle. Grab the marketing bundle, comment bundle, and get you the info. Make sure you got the details. Well, let's continue. Number 2, the next one here is Notion templates. Notion's becoming more and more popular these days. It's getting bigger, right? People like to use Notion a lot. And over on Notion, people are always looking for more templates, more trackers, more planners. They're looking for this stuff over on Notion. They like this type of stuff. That's where you get these. That's where you can find these type of people, right? Just a good pro tip for you there. Over on Notion, help people become more productive with these planners, with trackers. Use that. Use it to your advantage. And then once they're created, especially on Notion, once you create these on Notion, and then you start creating a residual income, you start creating a good passive income with them on Notion, that's golden for you. Okay, so here's what you got to do. You got to identify a problem. Identify the problem that people have so that you could solve their problem. Example, content planning, habit tracking, right? That's what these planners, that's what the trackers are for. Goal setting. Now, next, what you want to do is you want to create, using Notion, create a Notion template, a well-structured template that's going to solve their problem. Look for their problems, solve their problem by creating the template that's going to solve their problem on Notion. You can offer a free version, and then they can upgrade on Notion is what they can do. Then you can take this, so once it's created, then you can go back over to Gumroad, over to Etsy. You can sell your Notion templates over there. Or again, like I said, market on social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube, all of this social media, and just start marketing it that way is what you can be doing. All right, number 3. This one here, this is powerful, okay? AI powered prompt pack. Why this works? This is really cool. This is really good. Why it works is because, there are many people out there that have gone on to ChatGPT. I don't know if you have yourself or not, but if you ever gone on ChatGPT and you're kind of like lost, like, well, what do I do? How do I type it? What do I really get out of it? This thing isn't really all that good. You hear a lot of people that say stuff like that. No. Absolutely not. You see, ChatGPT, powerful, so powerful. I use ChatGPT myself every single day. All the time I use it. ChatGPT is my partner. It's my partner. And I don't have to pay ChatGPT a whole lot of wages or anything like that. You see, you got to know how to use ChatGPT. You got to know how to use the AI for your benefit is what you need to do. But you can create prompt packs. You can create, a whole planner. You can create the playbook, right? For ChatGPT and provide your prompts. If you're doing a whole bunch of prompts, a whole bunch of stuff with ChatGPT, save it, package it up, and you can sell it. Very good. Very simple. Great idea, isn't it? Absolutely it is. People don't know what the prompts to use. You give them the prompts and they could use the prompts. And then that's a sellable product. People, like I said, they don't know what to use. It's all about what you input, the questions that you ask, the prompts that you give ChatGPT, the better your responses are that you're going to get from ChatGPT. So if you know prompts, you can package that up and you can sell that to people. So what you do is you pick a niche, you pick a topic, you pick some stuff that you're interested in, you're passionate, what you want to do with, what you're currently doing or what you do with the AI. And you can, after you got that niche, then you package up prompts that have to do with that type of niche. And then you can sell to that niche those type of prompts so that they could use ChatGPT or other guys as well, like Midjourney and that, right? You could package all that up for them. Now, again, pro tip, check it out. Pro tip, of course, my marketing bundle, this comment bundle, and make sure you get all the details on this. But I've got I have a playbook. I've got a playbook for ChatGPT. I got a playbook for this AI. And this is this is what I did. This is what I have. I have a playbook. I have a playbook that it got a load of prompts for you. Okay. All these prompts. And then it teaches you also how to use the AI to create prompts, to find out how to actually use the AI to get what it is that you want out of AI. So that's included in my marketing bundle. See, look at all that value that's just packed in that marketing bundle for you. All right. Grab the marketing bundle. Absolutely. You need it if you want to put all this stuff together and really succeed with this. Take all the guesswork out. All right. The social media playbook, the planner, the AI playbook, all of this stuff is all there included for you. All right. So comment bundle and make sure I'll get you all that information, all the details for you. Comment bundle. In the meantime, if you found any value, if you found value in this content, make sure you also, I'm interested to know, what do you find most valuable? What did you find about these 3 digital products, tiny products, things that you can do to package up and sell? Which one inspires you the most? Which one's your favorite? Drop me a comment below and let me know. I'm interested to know. And if you're not yet subscribed, well, hey, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future. And in the meantime, right about here, I believe YouTube suggesting the next video for you to go check out. I'll be over there. And yeah, go check that out. I'll see you over there. Bye for now.